Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card quickly. Right, so first of all you have to open your Cash App on your device, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner, scroll down and select support, then choose something else. Scroll down again and click on Cash Card. At the bottom select contact support, choose not about a transaction and then opt for chat to explain your situation to a customer support representative. If you prefer a more direct method to unlock your card, open your Cash App and navigate to the home screen. Click on the card icon at the bottom left of the screen. If your card is locked, you will see a lock card option in red. Slide it to unlock and enter your passcode. Then prompted once successful, the button will change from red to black and while indicating that your card is unlocked. So this is it guys. If this method doesn't work, consider using your cellular data instead of Wi-Fi, as a connectivity issue can sometimes affect functionality. Additionally, if you continue experiencing problems, please reach out to Cash App support via their official channel recommended. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.